for the delay. We are about to start the show, so please settle down. Introducing our host for today, Miss Matt. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing today? Are you all good? He loves to see his environment clean. Now we have here our sample trashes, and Amigo is going to show us how to clean up this mess. As you can see, he picked up the crumpled paper, opened the bin, and dropped it inside. Good bird. Next one, please. He picked up the plastic cup, walked all the way, opened the bin again, and dropped it inside. Good bird. Last one, Amigo. He picked up the empty can, opened the bin, and dropped it inside. Now see if the birds can do. Blue at Bolmacos named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. Now macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So camel. Okay, let's have the camel with Mr. James. Okay, while Mr. Urban is preparing the jumbled letter, let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. Hi, Miss Debbie. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. Now, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
Oh, that's quite far, but I think he likes to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Oh, and what is the spelling of a camel, Jumbo? Okay, first letter he picked up the letter C. How about the second letter? Second letter he picked up the letter A. Good job. Third letter, buddy, is the letter M. All right. Now we're down to the fourth letter, Jumbo, and that's the letter E. Good bird. Now for the last letter, Jumbo. Last letter, he picked up the letter L. Now camel spells C-A-M-E-L. 4 plus 5, Jumbo. It's additional, right? So think carefully. 4 plus 5. And then he picked up the number 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now round of applause. Alright, here you go. Just don't go, keep moving. Wow. Now as you can see, so wow. Now did you know that settlers are monogamous type of birds? Monogamous, that means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hello. Again, say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. Hello. Now they can also mimic a different sounds of an animal. Okay, now let's do the rooster first. What's the sound of a rooster? Again, what's the sound of a rooster? How about cat? Wow. How about dog? Rudy, can you bark? Wow. Can you bark? How about telephone ringing, Lenny? Telephone. Okay. Now can you whistle? La, 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 la. I guess they're ready for the first song. Lani, come on. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Say again, buddy. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Now for the second song. Who's celebrating? Again, let's do it again, buddy. Come on. Or snatching prey in flight or probably kite named glider. Ready, glider? Again, please don't and remain seated. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Ready, Hunter? Here you go. You fly down to the real prey because hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you have observed, Miss Debbie, need your cooperation. Again, remain seated, don't stand up, and don't try to reach out our bird because this time she will fly closer to you. And she's our largest raptor here in Cebu Safari, okay? I guess we're all set, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready for the grand finale? Everybody ready for the grand finale? Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up high. It's our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. The white-bellied sea eagle is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage in its head down to its underparts, and its back and wings is dark gray in color.